Bird, come on, buddy. Can you sit? Good boy. Let's go. Hey y'all, good morning. Dave here at Wild Hearts Farm. You hear that? It's just quiet. This is one of my favorite times of the day, and this is first thing in the morning. I've got a lot of chores to knock out first thing in the morning. Taking care of the goats, taking care of the chickens, you know, just doing some stuff to make sure the homestead's running properly. So I thought I'd invite you all along with me for that. So come on, let's go. Yeah, buddy. We have got some hungry goats over here. Goats. Yes, little goats. How are you all doing? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's all the same food. It's all the same food. Come on now. It's all the same food. Look right here. Come on over there. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Goats are fed and watered. Now I've just got to move a little bit of fencing and get them on some new pasture. They've done a great job bringing this pasture back. It was nothing but dog fennel and brambles, just really nasty stuff, and now we're getting these good native North Carolina grasses coming up. So I'm going to move some fencing and get them into the new pasture. All right, come on goats. Come on goats. Come on, there you go. Chow down. Time to earn your keep. All right, y'all. So today is my day to clean out the goat stalls, and I don't have any hay to replenish their stall bedding. So I'm gonna go, me and the dog, Baruch, we're gonna go pick up some hay and come back and get right back to it. Baruch, your buddy, look at that. It's your little buddy. I know. I know, you want to stop and say hey, don't you? Of course you do. What's up, bud?
Hey, man. Getting 2 wheat straw?
Yeah, 2 wheat straw, 1 Timothy.
All right.
Cool.
You want me to just toss it in?
Yeah, that's great.
Timothy's back here.
Awesome, man.
your grass.
Wow, it is heating up out here. Man, I'll tell you what, I cannot wait for fall. So the goat pen is all cleaned out, and behind me, well, two things are behind me. Number one is a giant pile of hay that has just been saturated in goat manure, which really makes a good fertilizer. And this makes a perfect mulch. So further behind me, if you guys can see, is our brand new orchard. So we just planted these trees less than a year ago, 6 months ago. We've got apple, we've got peach, we've got pear, we've got fig, we've got blueberry bushes. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use all of this hay to mulch around these trees, and it really just helps them grow and flourish. So that's next up on the list of the chores. All right, y'all, an empty gator bed. Now on to the chickens. Look at them. They're all waiting to be released. You're all waiting to be released, aren't you? Okay, let's release you out of the run instead of out of the front. What do you say? Come on, chickens. Come on, chickens. Out here. Chickens. Come one, come all. There you go. There you go. Come on out and let me in. I need free reign. All right. All right, the waters are good. Just need a little food. Want some food? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Well, hey, come on out. Come on out. There you go. Now comes the best part, collecting the eggs. All right, y'all, all I've got left to do now is to replenish the chickens' dust bath. So chickens usually will dust bathe, out in the woods somewhere, find a little dusty, dirty hole, and just lay down and kind of roll around in it. But when they can't get out of the run, we like to have a little dust bath for them. So here's their dust bath. And it's empty. So what I've got here is I've got a combination of dirt and wood ash and some diatomaceous earth. I'm just gonna mix this all up together, get it back in here, and then when we can't be here and they're stuck in the run, they've got a place to continue to dust bathe and clean themselves. I know, you wouldn't think that rolling around in dirt would clean yourself, but that's how chickens do it, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, y'all, the morning chores are done, and now it's on to the hard stuff. So people often ask us, why do you want to live this type of lifestyle? Obviously, it's lacking a lot of the conveniences of everyday life, and there's a lot of reasons for it, but I'll give you two right now, and number one is freedom. We're working to live a bit of a more sustainable life out here. We're feeding ourselves. We have our own water source. We're resourceful and we're using what the land gives us. And that just gives us a little bit more of a sense of freedom, a little bit more of a sense of, security. The other reason is just a quieter life. You guys hear how peaceful it is out here. And even though there's chickens squawking and, there's birds singing and there's, all the nature noises, that's awesome. That's just how I think we all should be living, is a little bit closer to nature and a little bit closer to all that God has provided for us. So thank you all for coming along and joining me on this morning, doing the work that I've got to do every day, and we've got a lot more going on. It wasn't that difficult this morning, but just get ready. We've got our meat birds coming in a couple weeks. So we'll walk you guys all through that process. We're going to be hatching out more egg layers, so more hens to take care of. And we've got some pigs coming. All right, we've got some Idaho pasture pigs. We're going to be setting up some rotational pasture for them and move them from pasture to pasture. So there's a lot of exciting stuff going on here at Wild Hearts Farm. So, if you enjoyed it, guys, like the video, share the video, hit that subscribe button because we have so much going on. And I just want to thank you guys for joining us in building Wild Hearts Farm. We're living a more sustainable life out here, connected to nature and all that God has provided. Thank you all and have an awesome, awesome, blessed day.